What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with Deco Exchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
So this is one that we sell all the time on Etsy, but it's missing the bow. So we're gonna make our bow for that real quick. So I started without y'all, then I was like, let me just go live. So y'all, the base, all the base is a 14-inch grapevine. And then carrot picks all the way around it. If you look from the back, you can see they're just put in there all the way around. All I do from there is add a bow and done. So let's get our bow made. All right, we're gonna do about a 10-inch tail. Very simple bow, y'all. Two loops of this really fancy green. All right, y'all, this is just a cute carrot ribbon. Y'all, this one we're gonna do 4 smaller loops, 2 on each side. We want the loops to all be the same size. Y'all, and then we're gonna put 1 little smaller loop right in the center, like a little button. Super simple. Our pipe cleaner. All right, so just a simple little bow. All right, I'm gonna look for a spot that looks a little bare. So this spot right here, that's where I'm gonna add my bow. All right, I'm gonna pull that bow down to the grapevine. Tighten it up. Trim off the excess pipe cleaner. Get our bow fluffed out. Curl the tails. Y'all, and this is it for this one. Nice and simple and quick. All right, y'all, look. Nice, simple, and sold. My favorite things.